Hello viewers, today we are going to see how to do filtering in Gmail. Let's say if you want to filter something, a particular email or email from a particular company or particular person, we can use filter so that we can see emails from them in an organized way. So now I am going to filter the emails from Amazon. For example, see, I am copying the email address of Amazon. Here you can go and filter messages like this, and this has already came here. So we are going to filter any email from Amazon, not only this particular email. If you want only one email we can do, but since we used to get plenty of emails from Amazon, we are going to filter any emails from Amazon so that all the emails of Amazon comes under a single folder. So I have removed anything previous to at amazon.com, and then in the other field now we can leave as it is, and we can create a filter. So this one I don't want to go to the inbox, it has to directly land into the Amazon folder. I am skipping the inbox, and then apply to choose the label. Here there is no new label, so no label related to Amazon, so I'm creating one Amazon, and it should come under nothing. So if it by default comes as a folder individually here, so I'm creating it Amazon, and and also apply filter to matching conversation, which is earlier there, and I'm creating a filter, and Amazon folder is there. All the messages has came here. So this, so all the messages from Amazon has came here. This particular email is still in inbox, but it goes from a different email. So we are also putting this email, since it is related to Amazon seller learning things. So we are going to put that also. So for this, what we can do is we will take this as a separate email. I mean separate filter, and filter it like this. And anything from talent LMS will go to Amazon folder. So create filter, skip the invoice, apply to the label. Amazon it's already created, and apply to filter matching creators, and it is filtered out. So now all the Amazon email comes to this page. So one more still pending. I think it is from Amazon.in. So we can filter that also. So at updates.amazon.in, this also we can filter seller notifications, create filter, skip the invoice, apply to Amazon, apply filters to matching, create filter. So anything related to Amazon has almost came, and this is from at amazon.com. So you need to create for every individual thing so that you don't miss any emails from a particular seller. And especially with marketplaces like this, you need to create individual filters so that you filters for individual emails so that you don't miss anything. Apart from that, is there any email in the name Amazon? I don't see anything here. So this is how we filter. We got everything here. Uh, the account management services, Amazon ads, Amazon notification, everything. I think we have covered everything, and everything comes to one inbox. Let's say if you are getting from any email, any special email or anything, something new, then you can do same kind of filtering so that, I mean, if rules are set, it automatically lands into the exact box. This is how Gmail filtering works. Thank you.